Single pin like this could be making you hundreds of dollars every single month. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can scale your income to $10,000 every single month using Pinterest. You'll be able to do this even if you have a brand new account using the exact strategy that made me $14,000 in 1 month with a couple of viral pins. See, when I was casually using Pinterest around 2 years ago, I would repost pictures and get millions of views per pin that always consisted of thousands of comments asking, "Where can I buy this? Where do I get this? Where is the link for this?" And it genuinely pains me to think about how much money I missed out on from not putting affiliate links in any of those pins. Now that I'm older and significantly smarter, I've mastered the art of monetizing all of my Pinterest accounts in multiple different niches, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. But before we start, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps us a lot. Thanks. Firstly, let's get into the basics. We need to understand Pinterest to know exactly how to leverage the stats in order to make the most amount of money. So, if you didn't know, there are currently 450 million people using Pinterest every single month. So, to this day, Pinterest is one of the absolute best free traffic methods you can use, especially if you don't want to be a social media influencer or have your face all over the internet. Another important statistic you should know is that over 80% of these users are women. So we know that the odds would be in our favor if we decided to promote a product that was specifically targeted towards women. Also, with the knowledge that Pinterest is a photo-based platform, we know that the highest performing products are probably going to be aesthetic and visually appealing. So now that we're equipped with this information, we can get right into the first step, which is to sign up for the perfect affiliate programs. So considering that over 80% of the users are female, we know that we should be focusing on feminine products, right? So we need to have a niche in mind to attract a very specific audience because just targeting women is very broad. So we could easily go for something like fashion, skincare, hair care, recipes, even the parenting niche or interior design is a really good one. Basically, any female-dominated niche that you know you'll be able to find aesthetic pictures for. Don't overthink this because you can always rebrand later down the line. The important thing is to just get started. So brainstorm a few ideas of what you want to promote, and those are going to be your 3 niches. And if they happen to be related, like skincare, hair care, and cosmetics, you could go ahead and group them all together. If not, just pick one and we can move into the next part, which is finding programs that have products in your niche. So to do this, you're going to do a quick Google search for the best affiliate programs in your niche. And this should provide you with a whole bunch of results from Google with websites that have affiliate programs that you can sign up for in your niche. Regardless of whatever niche or theme you've chosen, I strongly recommend Amazon Partner Program as one of the must-have affiliate programs in your list because it's a very well-known online marketplace. So we know that it's trusted and reliable, and it has a huge range of products that you can promote. I also recommend that you sign up for Impact Radius and Awin. These are both huge affiliate marketplaces that you can find a whole bunch of products in every single niche, and they typically have a lot of well-known brands that you can go ahead and partner with. Sign up for at least 5 of these programs. This should take you under 10 minutes because it's very easy. You just put in your name, your email, and a couple of details about yourself. And once you have access, you can go ahead and familiarize yourself with all of the products on this marketplace. So be sure to find a couple of products that you really want to promote. Typically, what I like to look for is the price of your product. So, if I'm in the cosmetics industry, I'll probably go for perfumes. If you happen to pick interior design as your niche, which is one of my pages, you're going to be making a lot of money because think about if you're getting 20% of $1,000. So far, that means that you'll be getting 200 into your pocket from one referral. So imagine if you get just 10 of these referrals every single month. That's an extra $1,000. No, it's not. That's an extra $2,000 every single month. Anyway, let's not get too ahead of ourselves and move into the next part, which is setting up and optimizing your Pinterest account. For the sake of today's video, I'm going to pretend that I'm in the fashion niche. So I'm going to be doing women's streetwear specifically. And in order to optimize it, I need to add some keywords to my name to make sure it's searchable. What I mean by this is that if someone types in women's streetwear in the search bar on Pinterest and filters it by person, I will be showing up. And if you're lazy like me, you can even use ChatGPT to write your description. I use the prompt, write me a short Pinterest description that is SEO optimized in whatever the niche is. Now from here, you can upload your cover and profile picture. If you want, this could be a picture of yourself or any picture that you find on the internet that relates to your theme. If you're actually like me, you could even use Canva and create an entire logo and banner using their templates to make your account look a lot more professional. And once you've done that, you can move into the next step, which is creating engaging pins and sharing them. For this part, I'm going to show you how to create or source content for your Pinterest and how to correctly add your affiliate links so you can start making money with these pins. And before you get all skeptical, one thing, how are people supposed to trust my Pinterest account that only has like 100 followers and make a purchase off it on Pinterest? A lot of the time, people don't really care about how many likes or followers you have. If they see something that they like, they will want to just go ahead and buy it. But yeah, let's go through my top 5 pin styles that I'll usually promote my affiliate links with. And I am only going to show you how to design my main pin type because this is a pin style that I notice has higher conversions, and also because I don't want to make the video super long. But don't stress because I have a really useful free tool to help you create most of these other pins really quickly and very easily, even if you're not too artistically inclined. So what you're going to do is sign up for a free Canva account and scroll through the Pinterest pin templates until you see something that you like. From here, you can select your pin template and start building off your vision. And the good thing about using these templates is that they're already the perfect ratio to upload on your Pinterest. Top 5 Pinterest pin styles. Bundle pin, high conversion. Combine products for upsells. Options. Must-haves, outfit ideas, skincare bundles. Simplify decisions. Inspire immediate purchases. Infographic pin. Informative. More text. Educates users. Tailor to niche for engaging visuals. One product showcase. Highlight a single product with appealing visuals. Create a stylish Canva design. Repurposed content. Lazy growth. Grab viral images or videos. Tag the original creator for credibility. Leverage eye-catching. Proven content. Diverse content keeps Pinterest dynamic. Consistency is key. Happy pinning. Quick tip. When repurposing TikToks on Pinterest, Remove the watermark using TickSave to avoid issues with platform guidelines. Always credit creators when using their content. Pin design in 5 minutes. Use Canva to create eye-catching pins by grabbing product images from Amazon. Remove backgrounds, compile, and name items without revealing the brand. This encourages clicks as users can't easily find the product elsewhere. Uploading on Pinterest. Save and upload your designed pin on Pinterest. Utilize the tag feature to add your affiliate product links. Double check, add a title and description. ChatGPT can assist, and you're set to start earning. Pro tip: consistency is key. Aim for 3 in 6 pins daily to boost reach and dive into the Pinterest algorithm. More views increase your chances of making money. Stay consistent and success will follow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon and comment any questions. Good luck and see you in the next video.